Good morning and welcome to this week's What's Affecting Oil Prices. I'm Jeff Quigley, Director of Energy Markets here at Stratus Advisors. After trading last week at $63.78, we expect Brent prices to push even higher to $64.50. We also expect the WTI Brent differential to trade around $6.75. Last week's spat between Lebanon and Saudi Arabia continues to jumble the regional picture in the Middle East. While it will likely lead to increased volatility this week, its impact on supply remains unclear. Coupled with President Trump's trips to Asia, geopolitics will be a neutral factor this week with no immediate fundamental impacts on the horizon. Crude oil continues to trade independent of the dollar as momentum and sentiment wield greater influence. The Dixie had a quiet week as there was no major economic data release to drive trading. This week could see more activity as legislation on tax reform is debated. Trader sentiment will likely be a positive factor this week as hedge fund managers have continued to increase bullish positions on both Brent and WTI. Technicals represent a mixed message regarding whether prices are overbought, and sentiment will likely track with fundamental data releases. Supply will likely be a negative factor this week. Estimated U.S. crude supply rose to a new record high. Falling exports and high production could weigh on prices in the week ahead, especially if the upcoming IEA report flags the dangers of overheated U.S. production. This weekend's earthquake in Iraq does not appear to have any immediate supply implications. Demand will remain a positive factor in the week ahead as weekly U.S. data indicates strong demand domestically and for exports. In Europe, total product stocks also continue to steadily decline. Refining will be a positive factor in the week ahead as margins are trending at or above the 5-year average globally and are regionally outperforming prior years even with recent crude price increases. Healthy margins will continue to support robust crude runs.
This weekly report is an excerpt from our short-term price outlook service analysis. For more information, please contact us.
To stay up to date on the most recent Hart Energy videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel by clicking here.